Assalamu alaikum and good morning. Welcome once again to this online session. Today's topic is prefixes, page 100. So on the top of your page you would find prefixes in your phonics and spelling practice book. The words that we have to use in the blank spaces, they are unusual, unaware. So prefix means the first part, like that's why the first part which is added to the word is called prefix. Unusual, unaware, rephrase, re-wrap, non-specific, underwater, unfriendly, replenish, disconnect, misguide, regain, unfinished, reunite, discourage, overwhelm, repair, unimportant, rediscover, dishonest, submerge. Starting from part A, write the spelling word that best completes each analogy. Sentence number 1, busy is to idle as noteworthy is to unimportant. So idle is means not doing anything. Sentence number 2, drift is to float as plunge is to submerge. So drifting also means like float, it means like flow. So drift is to float as plunge is to submerge. Plunge means to fall, and submerge means also underwater. Sentence number 3, cheap is to valuable as common is to unusual. Sentence number 4, ignore is to notice as discourage is to encourage. Sentence number 5, vanish is to disappear as rediscover is to recover. So vanish and disappear have same meaning. Number 6, raw is to cook as unfinished is to completed. So raw, which is not being cooked, and unfinished and complete, so these are two opposite. 7, clear is to uncertain as exact is to misguide. So uncertain and clear, and exact and misguide, so these are the opposite. 8, teach is to instruct as overwhelm is to confuse. Teach is to instruct as overwhelm is to confuse. Overwhelm means confuse. Number 9, welcoming is to as cheerful as unfriendly is to gloomy. So welcoming is to as cheerful, unfriendly and gloomy. Gloomy means to sad. So unfriendly and gloomy. Number 10, ready is to prepared as unmindful is to unaware. Ready is to prepare. So ready and prepared, unmindful, unaware. Now starting number 11 from part B, write the spelling word that best complete each sentence. My dog tore open the gift, so I had to non-specific it. So non-specific means distracted, to unfocus the dog. Distracted. Number 12, please re-wrap the hair dryer when you are done. So cover up again, wrap and re-wrap. 13, is it dishonest to eat grocery food you haven't paid for? 14, too many sounds can disconnect the senses. 15, we will reunite with our cousin at the family picnic. Reunite, to meet again. 16, a sunken ship was one of their underwater finds. 17, Dad can regain his old surfing skills at the beach. Regain, to get it again. 18, once the meat has thawed, you should not refreeze it. Thaw means when you get out from freezer the meat and it gets cold, so you shouldn't refreeze it. It's not healthy. It's not helpful. 19, we need to replenish the shelves at the food pantry. Now replenish means to refill, to stock it again, something which finishes in the shelves, in the food pantry, in the food drawers in the kitchen. And number 20, can the old clock be repaired so that it will chime again? So repair, to fix it again. Homework. Dear student, please complete the following pages as your homework. Homograph 102 and 103. So you would find at the top of the page homograph 102 and homograph again 103. Thank you very much and have a nice day.